Are you seeing any colour unevenness or streaks in your WG7000 series prints? Don't worry, in this video we're going to show you how to resolve that. On the home screen of your operations panel, select Menu and then Adjustment/Maintenance. Now select Maintenance. Within the Maintenance menu, select Print Head Diagnostics. With this function, your machine will perform a series of diagnostic tests. First, it will run a print head diagnostics, then an uneven colour diagnostics, and finally a colour mismatch diagnostic test. If a problem is found, a recovery will be performed. Be aware that full diagnostics may take up to 40 minutes for the machine to thoroughly identify and resolve any problems. When you are ready, click Start Diagnostics. Your printer will now run through its various tests in order. Click Start Diagnostics. If a fault is found, you will receive a notification on the operations panel like this. It will ask you if you would like to perform the necessary resolution. If you are comfortable, press Yes. Your machine will instruct you as you go through the diagnostics to perform certain tasks to help in the resolution of the fault, like this one, to print a nozzle check pattern. A nozzle check pattern looks like this. On the screen, you will be asked to identify what your print most looks like. For an uneven colour fault, you may be asked to load blank paper into the printer for the machine to print adjustment test prints. While it undertakes these tasks, it's important that you don't turn your machine off. You will be asked to scan the adjustment prints like this, so that the machine can rectify any uneven colour faults. You may need to do a few of these scans so that your machine has the opportunity to assess the colours in fine detail. If the issue isn't resolved with the first few diagnostic tests, the printer will then check for mismatched colours. This is a similar process as the previous tests, where you will be asked to compare a printed pattern with an example on the operations screen. If the machine finds a fault, it will ask you if you would like to correct it. Continue to follow the steps on the screen, printing test sheets and scanning them with a flatbed. Following the diagnostics, you will be given a report on the screen to what the printer has detected. Congratulations, your colour unevenness or streaking should have now been resolved. If for whatever reason you are still having problems, don't worry. You can refer to the manual or contact our service centre for further help.